Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you need to find the fuses guys for the heated seats, front, rear heated seats. We'll explain that today guys, and we'll explain where those fuses are located. You may have up to 4 fuses, make sure to stay until the end. It could be any of those, and some of those are actually not labeled heated seats, so that's why we want to share that information with you. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any parts to use for Hyundai Sonata, any guys fuses, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Our plan is to make at least 200 electrical videos, diagnostic videos, how to fix electrical components on this channel that you're watching now. And we'll be making more than 300 guys mechanical videos, taking the whole car apart, engine apart, and show you how to fix pretty much anything on our main channel that is called Auto Repair guys. Okay, on Auto Repair guys, we have helped more than 100 million people. Check it out guys, very helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars. So this is guys the Hyundai Sonata right here. We need to go ahead, open, okay, the fuse box that we have on the front under the hood. You have one tab here, one on this side. You need to squish towards each other, okay, squish and then pull up. So let's check it out like that. Now we need to get the fuse puller, which is located okay right here. Squish and pull this fuse puller. Now we need to go actually inside that Hyundai Sonata guys. Okay, you may have front seats, rear seats that are heated, so there are different configurations. You may have leather or non-leather seats. We're going to explain about all that okay as we go. Now you're going to come under okay the steering wheel right here, and you have a cover that says fuses. You need to go ahead, open this one now, okay, and let's go ahead and explain guys where you can find actually all these fuses now for the heated seats. So coming this way, that's where the fuses are located. Check it out now. Okay, I need to come a little bit closer, focus, perfect. Now the first fuse that we need to check is actually guys row number 3. Okay, so 1 2 3, and then you need to go to fuse number 4. So 1 2 3 4, it should be a 15 amp fuse. This 15 amp fuse, this is the one that we actually guys okay need to check. That 15 amp fuse is for the front heated seats. Grab it with the fuse puller, okay, pull it out. This is guys the fuse. Okay, now let's explain how you can actually find out if that fuse is good or bad. If you don't know for sure guys, okay, usually you can see the element if it's burnt or broken. Sometimes you can't. We have a special video that explains how to test it very easily in a few seconds. I'll put the link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test the car fuse and know for sure if the fuse is good or bad. Sometimes you think it's a good fuse but it's not, and that may cost you so much money trying to actually fix a problem that all you have to do is test your fuse. Now another guy's fuse, okay, we have another fuse that actually controls the heated seats, and this one, okay, the next one will be called seat heater rear guys. Okay, let me just position everything here, perfect. So we need to go to the 4th guys, okay, the 4th row, 3 4, and now we need to go to the on the 4th row, we need to go to the 4th fuse. 1 2 3 4, 20 amp fuse guys, 20 amp fuse. Okay, right here is another one. Now you guys have one more here, and then we have one that's hidden. The next one is known as module 1 guys. Okay, what is module 1? It controls multiple, okay, actually multiple fuses, and I'm going to explain okay where that one is located now and what you need to be looking for. So come to the 2nd row from right to left, 2nd row, and you need to check guys fuse number 2. Okay, I'm trying my best here. Fuse number 2, 7.5 amp fuse. This fuse you need to check as well. Okay, right here, this fuse. So if those checks out, okay, let's explain which one could be bad as well. We're going to go ahead, install the cover. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to go on the front, and there is one more that we need to actually check. Come under the hood. Okay, right here I'll push the fuse puller actually right here, and we have that big mega fuse, okay, that you need to check the second fuse from right to left. You have 1, 2, it's this fuse right here, it's a 60 amp fuse, the second fuse from right to left. And we have a special video that explains how to test that fuse, so I'll recommend to check it out. But also guys, how you test it, how you replace the whole thing. How you test it, you need to disconnect the car battery, do that the correct way. If you don't disconnect the car battery the right way, you can burn engine, computer, electronics, modules. That can cost you so much money. How we know that? We did that mistake back in the day and it cost us $2,000. So with all that being said, disconnect the car battery the right way, remove that nut. Here you need to pull that tab to the side, okay, pull that fuse and test it with voltmeter to make sure you have connection, continuous connection from here to the second fuse. Okay, if it's not communicating, you have a bad fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.